How can I add money to my Cash app? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how you can add money to your Cash app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To add funds to your Cash app account, open the application and go to the Banking tab, which is the icon that displays your Cash app balance on the bottom. Far left, if you have no money available in Cash app, that icon will look like a house or a bank building. In Banking option, tap on the Add Cash option, and now on the Add Cash screen, type the amount you want to add to your account and then tap on the Add option. If you have a connected bank account, the funds will automatically go into your account. If you do not have a linked bank account, you are prompted to link one to finish the process. Select Continue on the prompt. From the list of available options, select your banking establishment. Enter the username and password for the account. You may be prompted to confirm your login. If so, follow the prompts to complete that confirmation. After you complete the linking, you receive a confirmation message that the accounts are linked and by now the transfer of funds should be completed. After the money transfers to your account, you can immediately use your Cash app card to access those funds. So, this is how you can add money to your Cash app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.